Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Gran Dama. This machine was brought in because it was slow to drip out coffee, and there was a message on the machine that was saying something like the grind is too fine, and that just usually means that for some reason it thinks that the grinds are too fine because water isn't able to pass through the grounds. But what's actually happening is that the pump is going bad and wasn't able to push the water itself, and so the machine kind of thought that the grinds were too fine, but really it was the pump. And so we replaced it, and here it is, working once again, and we're going to test it. There it is. Get some hot water here in a second. And there's the hot water. Alright, DeLonghi Gran Dama functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.